This is for a 2011 Upper Deck Parkhurst Champs box break. Guys, randomize. That is a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are my names, the order. This is our first box ever, guys. So just let you guys know. Camera there, okay. All right, let's get this going. There's the seal.
You've reached just the right. How may I be of assistance? No.
Pack fresh, folks.
Gun is occupied.
Pack
No.
fresh. Alright, so it's 20 packs. The first stack right here is 1 to 10.
Your name was?
Let's get this out of the way. There's 1 to 10. And 11 to 20.
Okay. Alright, and he said he called, so we out of your number.
Alright,
Okay.
let's get started. Show A. Get the first card. Oh, first pack.
Got it.
Good luck.
You're welcome. Alright, bye.
Got Ron Hextall. Okay, these are the base cards. You guys can see. Base cards, base cards. 4 cards. 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. It's a Champs mini card. Champs Mini, series of 57. This is card number 13. Dennis Pavin. Joseph, there you go. Pack 1. Pack 2, going to Joe A again. Another mini, Eddie Shore. Alright. So there's your base card. Parkhurst Champions. Renditions. Stan Mikita. It's not serial numbered. You know, Joe, I'm not sure if it's a cool card. And base card, base card. And there's your Eddie Shore, which is your Champs Mini. Card number 34 of the 57 set. And Stan Mikita. So we're looking for the autographs, guys. We're looking for autographs. Third pack going to Jesse Wilburn. That's your Markow mini. Base card. Base card. Hey, Mario Lemieux. Parkhurst Champions. That's cool. And then there's your mini. This is Mark Howe, number 32. 57. Fourth pack, Joseph A. What's up, Alan? Glad you can make it. Alright, Joe A. Base card. Ooh. Jim Nelson, Parkhurst Champions, Rangers. This is not serialed. It's a different looking card, but vintage. Highlight. Got your Wendell Clark. And base card. No autograph yet, guys. No autograph yet. Next up, Joseph. Joseph A. I see some thickness in there. Phil Esposito, Mike Bossy. Ooh, you're George Vezina? Card number 1 in the series. Alright. That's card number 1. Some thick cardboard. Alright, just some thick cardboard. Awesome. What's that about? Base card. Alright. Well, that wasn't cool. Oh, man. What are they tease? Literally just cardboard. Alright. Pack 6, Joe A. Decoy card. Oh, no, man, that's not right. Joe A. Neil Broughton. Looks like Wayne Gretzky. Looks like a wire photo card. It's not serialed. It's pretty cool. It's a wire photo. Shrunk to a card. And then you have Bobby Hull. Card number 46 in the set. Okay. Why did I make those decoy cards, Jag? Next up, Barry Roberts. You're up. Pack 7. Got Marcel Dion. Patrick Roy. Dear collector, congratulations. A reservation for 1 trading card will be made in your name when you
Yeah,
submit
you
a
have
request.
to look at the
Request card. Awesome. We got Howie Morenz, card number 14 in the set. That's cool. And a base card. Next up, Joseph A.
The office number is different than by last week. So the office, right?
Ken Hodge, Doug Gilmore. We got Jimmy Bauer. Card number 44 in the set.
That's the number W4 5B278.
And base card.
Yeah, because I'm reading it, and that was just number 7. That was...
You gotta put that got 2 in this one.
Alright, that was pack 8.
Yeah, one was with the checklist, and then
Pack
he
9,
said-
Joseph.
Yeah, he sent us a more 7 2 days ago. He said, "Sorry, office number, the mailing address is this. The office number, the office number above is different than what I provided last week. And that was the one you had here." Yep. Okay.
Base card.
Check.
Oh, we got Grant Fuhr.
It's a cool product, John.
Card number 45 in the set, 57. Or series. Base card, base card. Next up, Russ, pack 10. Johnny Busick. Ah, we got another wire photo card. This is Ted Lindsay. And we have Larry Robinson, card number 19 in the series for these little mini ones. Base card, base card. Alright, autograph is still in play, guys. That was the first 10 packs. Gotcha. Ah, alright, Jag, that makes sense. Smart. Next up, pack 11 is Joseph. Rick Middleton, Mario Lemieux, Willie O'Ree, card number 37 in the series. Base card, base card. Alright. Next up, Joseph A. Pack 12. You got Bobby Clark. I got another wire photo card. This is Gordie Howe. And Mr. Wayne Gretzky, card 57 of 57 in the series. It's the last card in this little mini series. Very nice. Danny Garrett and a Wayne Gretzky card, base card. That fits perfectly. Okay, pack 13. Joseph, Dom Beer, something. Cam Neely, Scott Bowman.
Scotty Bowen.
Card number 22 in the series of 57. Brett Sutter and Rajon Lemelin. Lemelin. Joseph, pack 14. Base card, base card. There's your mini. Daryl Sittler, card 33 in the series of 57. Okay. Pack 15. Where's that autograph? It's coming, guys. It's coming. Joseph A. Wayne Gretzky from the Kings. Daryl Sutter. And there is your autograph. Oh, snap. Christ. Penny. Put this in a penny sleeve. Alright, guys. Oh, Scott, how you say this? Guy Villemure? Alright? Villemure. It's Guy?
Gil.
Gil.
Give it a meal.
There you go, Joseph A. Gil Villemure. Very cool. Look at that mask. That's awesome. Old school. Congratulations, Joseph A. You have received a trading card autograph by Gilly Villemure.
Gil.
Gil.
Villemure.
This trading card was signed in the presence of a company representative or sent from a certified instance to authenticity by Gilly deal. There you go. Congrats, buddy. That's awesome. It's a very nice signature.
Yeah.
And then Johnny Busick, card number 27 in the series. Alright guys, that's one autograph. There could be two in this one. Joseph A, next one. Pack 16. Oh, there's definitely thickness in this one, so it could be a decoy. Base. Gordie Howe, look at that. That's a nice one. Glenn Anderson, card 40 in the series of 57 there, just in case. And a decoy card, yay. I would say it's a PSA 7 out of 10. And two more base cards. Alright, pack 17. Tony Esposito. We got a wire photo card of Wendell Clark. That's cool. Igor Larionov, card 35.
Larionov?
Larionov.
Igor Larionov?
Igor Larionov.
Hall of Famer.
Hall of Famer, guys. According to Wikipedia. My walking Wikipedia. Next up, Joseph. Pack 18. Aston, wire photo card. Bobby Orr. Alex Delvecchio, card 5 for the
Hall of
series.
Famer.
Hall of Famer. Base card. Okay. Allen. Pack 19. Maybe you'll get a signature. You never know, bro. Base card. Alright. You got a renditions card of Mario Lemieux. Very cool. And Ted Lindsay, card 24 in the series.
A wager.
Base card. One more pack, guys. We'll see if this comes with two or just one autograph, right? Now, Joseph A, get the last pack. Base card. And base card. No more. Only one autograph in that box, guys. This is Andy Bathgate. Card 9 in the series. Alright. That was our first box ever.
How many autos we got, John?
One.
Anyone good?
Gilles Lemieux. He's having a hard time with the pronunciation.
That's good.
Somewhere in here. But yeah.
Wikipedia helped him out.
Thanks, guys.